Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the Russian multiplication method on how to multiply. So if we just start off with 32 times 14, really this method is just showing or just telling us that all we have to do is half the first number and double the second number. So just quickly showing you half of 32 is 16 times doubling 14 is 28. Half of 16 is 8. Doubling 28 is 56. Half of 8 is 4. Doubling 56 is 112. Half of 4 is 2. And then doubling 112 is 224. Half of 2 is 1. And doubling 224 is 448. So basically this, what is happening here is all we're doing is regrouping the original equation in a different way, but we're not actually changing the answer, and that's why it works. So if you look at this, the answer 448 is actually the answer for every single one of these equations. We're just simplifying it, basically. And if you want to see that with a smaller number, just to see that makes sense, if we take 4 times 8, if we just half this, it's 2 times 16, or 1 times 32. All of these equal the same number. We're just making this last one simpler. 1 times 32, because you know everything times 1 is the second number, 32. So if I wanted to apply this to a division problem, use the same ways of regrouping the equations in a different way, but we're not actually changing the answer, so we get the right answer every time. We could start out with, let's just do 40 divided by 10. So if we just want to make this equation maybe simpler, we could minus the second number, 10, by 40, which would give us 30. And we put 110 into 40, minus it 30, that's where we got this 1 from. So if we just continue to do this, minus 10 equals 20, minus another 10 equals 10, and then minus 1 more gives us 0. So then we add up all these, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're left with the answer 4. This is just a different way of doing it. It's just a little simpler, and you can easily add up 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of having to know this by your head. If we wanted to check if this was right, we could use a Russian peasant method way of multiplication of doing it by multiplying 4 times 10. So half this, which is 2, times doubling 10 is 20, or 1 times doubling this is 40. Again, it gives us the same exact answer. All we're doing is regrouping the multiplication problem in a different way, same as we did in division here. Just regrouping it in an easier way to do it, maybe just a little simpler.